So you're building a WordPress website for your business. Congratulations on making that step to get yourself found out there online. However, the way things work a lot of the time, your site is already live. So if people are curious and they want to come over, they can come and have a look right now, which is not ideal. What I'm going to do in this video is take you through a very simple process using a plugin to put a coming soon or a website under construction page on the front of your website while you're building it on the inside. So let's go over and check out how it's done. So step one is to make sure that you're logged into your WordPress dashboard. In this case, I'm displaying the homepage of my website, but you can see that I'm logged in because I have the bar across the top, which gives me all the WordPress functionality. So simply, we're going to come here and click on Dashboard. Now I'm going to right click and open it in a new window and come across to it, and you'll see our dashboard loading here. From here, we're going to go down to the plugins and add new. It's then a simple case of searching for a plugin called Under Construction. Come across, you can see that it's actually been used by over 300,000 people. It's had 5 stars from over 1,000 people. It's compatible with our version of WordPress, and it's been updated recently. All of these things are very important when it comes to installing plugins onto your WordPress website, because if something hasn't been updated for a long time, then it could actually be responsible for breaking your site in some way. So whatever plugin you're using, just be mindful of this information down here. To install a plugin, it's very simple. We just click Install Now. And we activate. Okay, and as soon as we activate, it should take you to a very quick pop-up area down here where you have the ability to click on the settings. If for some reason it doesn't, then you can, it doesn't show you that, it should do. You can come under here to your plugins and installed plugins page. You'll see the new Under Construction plugin, and you can click on Settings from within here. Now, the Under Construction plugin has a free version, and it also has a paid pro version. As you can imagine, the free version just gives you very basic capabilities, but that's all we really need for now. So it's just a case of, if you want to, look at the Getting Started video or walkthrough. In my case, I'm not going to do that. The first thing I'm going to do is just show you what happens if you just click this button to on for the Under Construction mode, save your changes, and if we go over here and we visit the site by opening in a new tab, let's see what that's done. Okay, so it's Under Construction mode, but because I'm currently logged in, I get to see it as it would be as normal so that I can actually carry on building. So we're going to preview the Under Construction page from here instead. And there you go. We've got a standard, sorry, we're doing some work on the site. Thank you for being patient. We'll be back shortly. So that's what you can see that you get simply by triggering it on. And that might be enough for you. That's entirely up to you. But if we come back over here, we have a tab called Design. So if we click on the design, you can see that this is the one that's currently active. If we look here, anything that has a star on it is a pro option. So if you're not going to be paying to go pro, which you don't need to do, then you just need to select one that's fairly straightforward. So let's do this one. Let's click here, activate. And then come back over and refresh the preview. And it's now changed. Bit repetitive between the headline and here, but we can do something about that. If we come back to Under Construction. So we're going to click into the content. And here you can see there are options as to what you can say. And if you just click in this text box area, you can see there's the wording that is currently appearing down here. So we could start by we are working on our new website. Back to exciting stuff. We are working on a new website and look forward to sharing it with you soon. Okay, so that's the first tweak we're doing, and then you can see the headline here. Sorry, we're doing some work on the site. Welcome to Angie J. Stewart.com. Just leave it at that. Okay, come down the bottom and click Save Changes. Come back to our preview and refresh. And you can see, headline has changed and we have now a new area down the bottom. And it's as simple as that. You can leave it at that and it will do its job. A couple of other tweaks that I'd just like to say. On the main page, you can prevent search engines from indexing the temporary site. If you've imported a demo, it's worthwhile considering doing that. But as you can see, it is a pro feature. So it's entirely up to you as to what you want to do with that. And there's options here for an automatic end date and time. Challenge yourself. Give yourself a date that it's going to get launched. Set yourself an end date and a timer and off you go. Google Analytics tracking is currently off. You want it set to off for now because we're not looking to see who's visiting the site right now because there's nothing for them to see. So there we have it. That is a way of putting an under construction page onto your website. Very quick, very simple, and it just stops people from seeing what's going on behind the scenes. See you on the next video. Bye for now.